Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
By August 6th. Na in between. And yebeka say for 2 days in siwo. Na yenko various senior high schools. Na yema kwanya koma maba wane mrantie no. Say wo mso betimi register. Now there were indications say NDC be sue say electoral commission a change nhyehyɛ yɛde ɛkɔ akɔto aba no na yɛnkɔ na yɛne director of legal affairs for the National Democratic Congress owura lawyer Abraham Amaliba enkonko busa no say be a veritable grounds a wɔn de ɛkɔ ata suit n'akyi na afei so no in fact NDC yɛnti a na ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn esu na yɛnhwɛ possible impact a saa intention to sue no ebetumi akɔfa de aba. Amaliba Square, Yamwaha.
Hello.
Lawyer, what to saying?
No, your pal.
Right. Do we know for a fact that NDC as a body corporate as to a national electoral commission on the issue of change of scheduler? Yede registration.
Change of schedule meaning, but conducting registration in ungazetted centers, yes.
Right. Tell us, say, gazetted center, any dear he, now ungazetted center, any dear he, now evidence therein, say, easy, aqua registration, or ungazetted centers.
Easy, we share on CASA regulations, American CI 91, as amended by CI 126. We share regulation 2.3. A tracer, mobile gazetted centers, not less than 21 days before the start or commencement of the registration. And okre Oma Gazette. Na Oshe Gazette no more. Na say almost on by registration or campuses, senior high school campuses no. Oshe Gazette no more. Say senior high school campuses are part of the Gazette centers. And based on that, no, you can say it's an illegality or money. Because every center that is used for registration must be gazetted. And I went so Oman gazetted. So that's why I went to court.
Na secondary school for ombeko ako register 2 days no mobile no. Omo edanedi for the specified 21-day period no. See ebe sa na.
Some bit of question if you.
Say a secondary school no amukoko registration for a 2-day period no. Ni ebusa say womo publish say 21 days ahead of the data. Omo beko say aha eka ba bia beko registration one na.
And no normal no. It's not part of the Gazette Center. And no normal no. And then I can also more kasa. And this is protecting on one kasa more regulations. Regulation 2.3 no. Actually, say you must gazette those centers. Gazette no say so that at least people who know those centers can send their friends agents. Apart from that, no, so law no actually say you should gazette. And so as a nation, ruled by law, but not ruled by men, no. They say when it comes to their own regulations.
Na easy send any form of communication at the bread NDC as to say fumu you that indeed registration at various secondary schools across the country.
Me say omukoye IPAC omufre obia political parties no ebo omo amania but menim say odi obeti ase me no we know say nkrofo mienu anase miensa anase whatever number and to me and kobie a dime and so air condition and to also to agree say they want to breach the laws of Ghana and then it will be accepted.
Now gazetted polling stations are now registration centers no yamakwan emma party no agents observe activities now we omuko secondary schools no ma parties agents kwan say wo mmra observe the ekoso
and no mobo amane say enam say ombe yesa no o man fa Anka Gazette centers, they were informing the political parties to come along with their agents. I think that's why they informed them to come for IPAC.
But
that does not once again make what they did legal.
Now NDC are filing processes, no.
Oh, yeah, file Thursday, and we were expecting you file it Thursday together with an interlocutory injunction. We were expecting Friday, no, on this argument, no, but they went ahead and did it.
In effect, you could be citing EC for contempt.
So we are checking. We are Meno Kasei and Rua Namo Kumasi, Meko court, and the pay, and I make a court. I'm on my way back. I've just stopped to talk to you. I have asked some of our lawyers to check, do a search to know the outcome of that injunction, whether they were served or not. Until I'm going, when I get to Accra, I'll know the outcome.
Right. Now, sir, indeed, if they were served, now they defied the court to go ahead and register Nkwalano. Idea mobile easy anim na masite for contempt and possibly pray for the court to say yama commissioners no custodial sentences ana.
Straight away, and that is what we intend to do.
Hey, you don't three more thing.
Okay.
It is so three more thing.
Say Denti. IGP Crampo, IGP. Wow, him IGP Crampo. Yes, I think for contempt.
But say Ubeka a court no a man custodial sentence. Now why and the Baba Yahubwa ama Yatuaso I am to Tia de Cotrabe.
Because I almost say Domolevo is not the friend, the Auditor General or no audit service no ewo. Commission no so ewo, on so ewo, on Bejuma.
And the public servants no honum commissioners no cry, you can't move fiasia. A public servants in the Yajumano.
Osha Crampo. Ejumano Crampo is not being done by the commissioners. To see our more full honum, Commissioner Ben or what so, wow, sir, without them, no, Ejuman break me across. There are technocrats in there, so they can do the work.
As it is, NDC, Momo Coco Stray a supervisor say, indeed, you register a year and Kualano Vero Secondary Schools in order to adduce evidence to say that, in fact, Omakoso, Aquaco register Kualano.
Oh, yes, we'll provide evidence, but it is public knowledge. Obian himself Friday, no, in this matter, no, a bear whether or not, sir, they were served. Sir, yes, to me, a serve or more, but nonetheless, Jim Mensa, one fact, process no, and yes, she or no, Nigerian, sir, she can disregard the process there. We'll go ahead and fight her for contempt.
That's quite serious. Nah.
It is not. You should be praising us for wanting the right things to be done. If not, next time, another commissioner will send registration materials to our border towns and say, sir, there are Ghanaians in Ivory Coast, so I want to send the registration close to them.
But you are
another commissioner to also say, sir, oh, I'm going to establish a registration center in my husband's bedroom. We want to stop all this nonsense. You cannot know one day the kind of commissioner you have. So we must go according to the laws of this country.
But you are wondering, sir, EC must have been seized with the tenets of warm mandate, knowing, sir, CI 91, was it? As amended by CI 126, directed what has to be done. And how could, say, EC, given the terms of constitutional instrument 126, said the music manifestly running contrary to the dictates of CI 126?
And then one because law we any law Obibeka say Parliament passed it on their own. We a law or more kasa easy. Etna or more office for them. Okay, say they even attempted twice, and Omanya no correct, and or more before they were able to get the last one correctly. That's the CI 126. It is about their own regulations. We have expected, say, Jemensa being a lawyer would have respected their own rules. A bromajun pass was no a lawyer, and the fact was no one so supervising the drafting of that law should decide to do what she did.
Before some of the court, no, much ekobusa is confirmation of their that particular act. Say beer ombe confirm tomu ye na omanye.
Oh, David, we don't need those things. Or more declare or more intention at the IPAC meeting. Into or more representing NDC, no. I'm sure the NDC raised objections, but maybe they were overruled. Into a more representing, you know, a more IPAC meeting because the person who called me, you know, made noise from the background. So a more IPAC meeting, and obviously, I'm from, say, oh, maybe Medina Honor, say, oh, we have to file something. I say, you have filed things like that. Just now, I should file something tomorrow. I said, no, it's agent. Into yes.
Because here can nipa no frɛ wa or man who say it's of an urgent nature say obe file bibi. Yet ya say na wugina general secretary chi Emma or catch the woman nyina what must have transpired at the courtroom. Obi beka and say Amaliba pa na we brief general. Ama general adia kofa baby or the fire. Enti ene yes koko file bibi no have you as a lawyer ascertain the veracity of what must have transpired for you to have been Obakan says seized with the veritable fact and the grounds. Say Obako court ana.
Baby, I can read the law. I can read regulation 2.3. So has it been breached? Yes. No. So that's all. Baby, I don't need those things. In fact, if I were not even director of legal affairs of the NDC and I was just an ordinary lawyer, who idea or more, you know, I can see that. I don't need to see the EC doing that or not. The fact said Oma started registration, and that was on Thursday, and at the Everton Friday. Once I saw that registration taking place on the campuses, it's enough for me.
No,
yeah,
okay. You rely on your words. What say? At the end of cry, it was of urgent nature. Now you had received a telephone call for which you were directed as Director Legal Affairs for NDC to proceed to court and sue. Na ubuzat I didn't and now just opposed with what had transpired at the presence of the Supreme Court, where you Director Legal, General Secretary, and a General Secretary, I can't tell what had transpired in court erroneously though, and they yes, I can say court. So we ask you quite legitimately that what are you seized with the facts? Say easy BB and now court. And answer once again, you are being directed elsewhere to go to court when you are not well aware what must have happened.
Me no kase the catcher was Thursday and a file here. Now Thursday who say EC is doing registration outside the Gazette Center. What evidence do you want again?
Okay, who will be there and answer you were told?
I received a lot of calls. I saw everything. I received calls from Bolga that EC is doing registration. I also saw EC in campuses.
So you'll be in a
decision.
So you'll be in a position to depose an affidavit.
Yeah, okay, you know, I me say EC did registration on Thursday.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Right.
Friday, they did registration, yes or no? So what is your issue?
My issue is now I can understand, say, you really you are seized with the facts on the ground.
So you saw it. I saw it. Everything happened. We all saw it. EC has not denied that they have not done any registration.
Right.
And so
now,
the problem is about the breach of the regulations.
EC responded to the written issue, no?
And statement of defense here. You see, and so affidavit in opposition here. So
Okay.
But our motion will be moved on the 20th.
Right.
That's the interlocutory injunction.
Restraining EC from doing what?
The 20th was the date to move the motion. They've gone ahead to disregard the processes filed. We are considering now to do a search. And if the search reveals, say, they were served, and yet they went ahead to conduct the registration on Friday, we'll see them for contempt.
Mr. Amaliba, there are two issues here. There's an issue of you going to court, moving the court to restrain EC. Say, ma onye bibi. Adia onye no say, ma onko secondary schools ahodo enko register nkwadano. Abra wuntimi move court no. EC edi wani mu kwan kura taking notice of the processes no when fee and wako register nkwadano we. Are you still going to move the court and tell the court to say, you're restraining EC from doing what he has already done?
Yes, I'm American. EC has overreached the court. They've not respected the court. The application on the 20th will become moot if we see, say, there's evidence, say, they were served and yet they went ahead and ignored the processes. And so 20th, no, say a court, not there's evidence, actually say they have been served, but they ignored the service. Our line of action is not to move the application again, which application has been overreached and is now moot. Our contention is now to cite them for contempt.
So in effect, you know, you are giving the EC a window of opportunity to say that we were not properly served, or we were not served.
It doesn't lie in their mouth. It is court processes. There's a bailiff. There's what is called proof of service. It doesn't lie in their mouth. If we get the evidence, not evidence, naturally said they were served, that is conclusive.
They are not taking your mind, the Kakran, Mr. Malba, ya never see a jam of Zujam and Yemu. Yet, and a honorable member of parliament for Ningo Pram, Samuel Nete George. Or court to say, young restraining EC, say, my uncle city escape, and Quanko did you maybe. Yet, when say EC so has been restrained. The Abatia say EC Nejina Airport was a May. Munkonko order of the court, no order, no, eka 1, 2, 3. Yanka say, Mamintime ma airport city escape. Omugojina airport city escape. Yomukoko yenina ye watweniyem say honorable member no be cite for contempt. And siaga, those are your own words. When so see, yeah, but say, oh, you caught Neze yes search, never say, oh my say, Mr. Malba Musau. Can the NDC ever win a court case against the EC or against the MPP ever? Our Ghanaian courts are now.
I thought, sir, you'll be worried, sir. We have an EC that is lawless, that is disregarding our regulations and laws. Niao Bisami, I'm saying you are giving the EC some more, let me say, some more encouragement, sir. They can go ahead and be doing what they are doing. City escape DNA okay. Clearly, they were restrained from having that workshop. It was not limited to a particular city escape. It was not limited to a particular jurisdiction. It was stop that workshop. Inti say omo eko ye omo meeting baby different from where they said they were going now. We should be condemning what happened and not to say Nkosiaga. Meno say, has there been a breach? And luckily for your listeners, we're a lawyer. If you read Regulation 2.3, has there been a breach or not? That is the focus of our discussions.
Okay.
But Nkosi Agano, Mameka Vichero, whether we win a case or we don't win a case, it is precedent and a DAO. So let the court decide that there's nothing wrong. And let one day, when the NDC comes to power and decides to take a registration center to the Togo border and say, we are selling it close to Ghanaians who are outside Ghana. Whether you ask me again, whether or not, we are trying to stop the breach of our laws, the impunity. That is what you as a journalist and a colleague lawyer should join in the protection of our laws.
Honorable Aragant, next time, now we have references to citing your president polling station as a registration center on a border tower. Refer to Paga. Refer to the Votarian side on why now you want to be free Paga and Boku Pusiga Ababeka Togo border. But then giving the confidence, the charisma with which a general secretary Frank Barney, director legal affairs, or to be a promo Supreme Court princess. You know, I'm just imagining the day NDC will win a court case. Said the general Bessie Afakano. So when are you likely to win a court case ever against either the MPP or the Supreme or the EC?
Well, I didn't win the 2012 elections petition. What are you talking about? That was even the massive one, where the two parties assembled their creme de la creme. Catch them, who won that case? So what are you talking about? When we win?
When you're not 2012 no court, open a deco na went to me and Nimkunim, who won you one okay?
Now who said the Ben ever win? And yes, sir. When you ask the question, you forget. Who said the Ben ever win?
And the Ben ever win say, Yadi be a D and a yayan some manifestly where the emuya. Na NDC yet me assembly veritable facts.
Assembly said the cause are against NDC.
Perhaps I need you to tell me more. The Ben am winning cases in me.
The Ben ever winning case in me. 2012 young winning your own.
No, 2012 will be the case. You quite me peda Muankasano, assembly sia, Muankasambe raise the issue, said they confidently eduzi, what me assembly case, no coco drew her near Casa in the alternative drop away of away within 2 seconds. No one can say there be first one and the better, na Maryland, the second one. Now, Fedia, we are Mitibabio, now for me, she said the general Sikasaye, not director legal Jinachi, next idea. Omonyo teachers mani ya nwanwa kaka da benda ana mu be raise cases akwakwo win amaye ni yet me abo say Ghana.
Don't worry, that you better appoint a chief justice now. You better win the case.
Asem na me peti I don't know. Kudos. Amaliba Esquire ya do ase pa.
That you better appoint a chief justice. You better win. Why?
And one na me pe eju father for all na twam. Why? Right, Amaliba enwa de ba Peter. Da
Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.